Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us visit to the beautiful Keralamkundu Waterfall in Malappuram in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The waterfall is located in a small village called Karuvarakundu in Malappuram district of Kerala. Once you park your vehicle, from there you need to take a jeep trek to reach the entry point. The trek duration is less than 2 km, so if you feel to walk, it is better. Check out video description to know about the entry fee and jeep fee. The waterfall is located at around 1500 feet above sea level in the middle of the Silent Valley territory. The place gives you a scenic view of the surrounding forest and has a natural pool at the center from which the water keeps flowing down. During rainy season, the water flow will be more, but still the waterfall looks beautiful. And during summer season, the water flow will be less and people used to get down to water. Make sure the water flow is less and confirm with the staffs before getting into the water. It is a nice place that you can cover on your trip to Nilambur, or you can explore when you are coming to Silent Valley area. You can also drink the water that is coming from the waterfall. Do visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.